This is the 1.1 practice walkthrough. I'm not going to give you the answers, but I will interpret the questions and give you stuff to think about, so that should help you along the way. Here we go. So it says, here's a diagram of straight edge and compass construction. All right, so that's what we're given. And here's the question. C is the center of one circle and B is the center of the other. More information, right? So the center of this circle is C, center of this circle is B. And why is the length of BD the same as AB? Okay, so BD and AB, right? So what's the big key takeaway from lesson 1? The big key takeaway from lesson 1 is always a focus on the radius. So if we look at these, what do you think? Can we identify any radii? Radiuses, plural of radius is radii. Pause the video to answer the question. Claire used a compass. That's that tool that we use to make circles. And she used a compass to make a circle using the radius, the same length as segment AB. So there's AB right there. That's the length of the radius for this circle. And the center is C. So there you go. Okay. She labeled center C. Okay, great. Which statement is true? Now you're just going to go through and look at each one of these statements and figure out which statement is true. Remember, this symbol is the greater than sign, right? So AB is greater than CD. AB is equal to CD. AB is greater than, remember the alligator always eats the bigger thing. AB is greater than CE, or AB is equal to CE. Select anything that's true. Pause the video to answer the question. The diagram was constructed with straight edge and compass tools. Points A, B, C, D, and E are all on line segment CD. So these are all on one line. All right. Name a line segment that is half the length of CD. Can I get rid of that ad? Yes, I can. Good. All right. Half as long as CD. Well, remember the key to lesson 1 is radius, right? So can we identify any radii here? How many radiuses can we find? Well, let's see. We can look around, right? A radius is what? A radius is from the center out to the edge. Well, if we look at CD, how many radiuses is that? Right? And we need to find something that is half the length of CD. Pause the video and answer the question. Be sure to explain how you know. Next one. This diagram was constructed with straight edge and compass tools. A is the center of one circle, so that's the center of this circle. And C is the center of the other circle. Right? There you go. All right. Cool. Now what? The two circles intersect at point B. That would be where the two circles cross, is right there, right? So this circle comes down here and crosses with that circle. Label the other intersection point E. So where's the other place that these two circles cross? Well, they cross here and one other spot. Where is that? And where do we label it? How do we label it? Well, we would label it with this, right? The text tool. And you just go like this and you go E, and then you can use the move tool here, and you can move this wherever you need it to be. Okay? How does the length of segment CE compare to the length of segment AD? Well, CE and AD. Well, AD goes all the way across from here to here, right? So remember the key. Think about radius. How many radiuses is this? How many radii is this? From A to D.